My name's Chris. It's my 1970 Chevy Corvette Convertible. Bought it off a gentleman out of Ohio. Picked it up off a guy who was restoring it and unfortunately ran into some health issues, and so I picked it up and was able to bring it across the finish line from some of the loose ends that he didn't get done. So we were able to really get across the finish line for him. He really did a lot of wrench work on it, a lot of underbody and stuff. Did everything pretty much, tops brand new, brakes brand new, interior's brand new. So he really did a lot of wrench time, a lot of investment in it, and so sure do appreciate it.
Up here to Carlisle from
Massachusetts. Yep. Yeah.
And that's what drive. How many hours?
500 miles, and it took us about 7-8 hours. We went through the Catskills, so it was nice going up through the mountains, and you know, it was a good trip. But yeah.
And the paint, what do you call this color?
I call it a strawberry. Not sure exactly what the color is, but boy, it really does come out, and the oranges and the yellows in it. It really comes out nice in the sun. Yeah. I really enjoy the fact that he did the tan interior with the red car. It really feels like it's a good combination, and it was tastefully done. So it's modified, but it's not grossly modified, and I feel like it was well done. Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Thank you.
Appreciate it.